Welcome back to an After Effects video. Now we're going to look at something called gels, which is essentially when you place an object between the light and the background, and the qualities of that object give a sort of interesting appearance on the background. So that is what we're going to do. So we're going to place our egg in here. You can see the egg. If we take a look at the position here, we're going to make sure the egg is at 225. So you can see the egg is right in front of it there. And it's sort of like in line with all the other things that we happen to have here. So if we take a look at all the layers here, we can just take a look at the positions of things. So the question is, how do we create the gel from this? And generally what you want to have is pretty good light transmission, but you want to make sure you have cast shadows on only. And you need to do that on the movie layer. So let's do that. So currently cast shadows is off. Now if we turn it on, you can see you're going to get that border, you're going to get the big shadow behind it. If we turn it to only, we'll get rid of the egg itself. But now if we increase the light transmission to like quite a high value, it's going to really blend in like a pleasant way with the background. So you can see that effect. If we move it back, you can see it becomes almost absorbed into the point of the light there. So that will do. So thanks for watching.